Critical managerial skills. Effective management requires a diverse skill set that encompasses technical, interpersonal, conceptual, and diagnostic skills. These critical managerial skills serve as the foundation for successful leadership within an organization and can vary in importance depending on the managerial level and economic circumstances. Let's delve deeper into each of these skills. Technical skills. Definition: technical skills are the expertise and knowledge required to perform specific tasks within an organization. They are often associated with the day-to-day operations and production processes. Importance: these skills are crucial for ensuring that operational tasks are carried out efficiently and effectively. Technical skills are essential for lower-level managers and frontline supervisors who are directly involved in executing the organization's core functions. Examples: in various fields, technical skills can range from computer programming for IT managers to clinical skills for healthcare managers and financial analysis for finance managers. Interpersonal skills. Definition: interpersonal skills involve a manager's ability to interact, communicate, understand, and motivate individuals and teams effectively. Importance: as managers spend a significant portion of their time interacting with employees, clients, and stakeholders, strong interpersonal skills are essential. They facilitate teamwork, resolve conflicts, and foster a positive work environment. Examples: active listening, empathy, conflict resolution, and effective communication are vital interpersonal skills for managers. Conceptual skills. Definition: conceptual skills pertain to a manager's capacity to think abstractly, analyze complex situations, and grasp the broader organizational perspective, often referred to as the big picture. Importance: these skills are crucial for senior executives and top-level managers. They enable them to develop strategic visions, make informed decisions, and anticipate future trends and challenges. Examples: strategic planning, long-term goal setting, and the ability to connect various aspects of the organization's operations are all part of conceptual skills. Diagnostic skills. Definition: diagnostic skills involve a manager's ability to analyze problems, identify root causes, and develop effective solutions. They rely on a deep understanding of cause and effect relationships. Importance: diagnostic skills are invaluable for managers at all levels. They help in troubleshooting issues, improving processes, and making data-driven decisions. Examples: root cause analysis, data interpretation, and critical thinking are diagnostic skills that managers utilize to address challenges effectively. The distribution of these skills can vary depending on managerial level and economic circumstances. First-line managers tend to rely more on technical and interpersonal skills, as they are closer to the day-to-day operations and employee management. Middle managers require a balanced mix of all four skills, as they bridge the gap between strategic decisions and operational execution. Top managers emphasize conceptual and diagnostic skills, as they set the organization's strategic direction and address complex issues. Additionally, economic circumstances can influence skill priorities. During tough economic times, CEOs and top managers may prioritize skills such as effective communication, motivation, decisiveness, and visionary leadership to steer the organization through challenges. In conclusion, mastering these critical managerial skills is essential for effective leadership within an organization. Managers who possess a well-rounded skill set and can adapt their skills to the situation at hand are better equipped to lead their teams and organizations to success. Here are some real-time examples and case studies for each of the critical managerial skills. Technical skills. Example: Information Technology Manager. Real-time example: in the world of IT management, technical skills are paramount. Take, for instance, the case of Jane, an IT manager at a global tech company. Her technical skills in programming and system administration are essential for ensuring that the company's network infrastructure runs smoothly. She must stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity threats and technologies to protect the company's data. Jane's ability to troubleshoot technical issues and lead her team effectively in implementing software upgrades has resulted in improved system reliability and security. Interpersonal skills. Example: Customer Service Manager. Real-time example: Emily is a customer service manager for a leading e-commerce platform. Her role involves constant interaction with customers and her team of service representatives. Emily's strong interpersonal skills, including active listening and empathy, have significantly impacted customer satisfaction. She conducts regular team meetings to address issues, recognizes outstanding performance, and creates a positive work environment. This has resulted in a decrease in customer complaints and an increase in customer loyalty. Conceptual skills. Example: Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Real-time example: Sarah is the CEO of a multinational corporation. Her conceptual skills are crucial for setting the company's strategic direction. In response to shifting market trends, Sarah recognized the need to diversify the company's product offerings. She conducted a comprehensive analysis of the industry, identified potential acquisition targets, and developed a long-term growth strategy. Her ability to think conceptually and see the bigger picture allowed the company to expand successfully into new markets and increase its profitability. Diagnostic skills. Example: Manufacturing Plant Manager. Real-time example: David manages a manufacturing plant that produces automotive parts. One day, the plant experiences a sudden increase in defective products. David utilizes his diagnostic skills to identify the root cause. Through careful analysis of production data, he discovers a flaw in one of the machines. He arranges for immediate maintenance and implements a preventive maintenance schedule for all machines. David's diagnostic skills not only saved the company from potential product recalls but also improved overall production efficiency. Skill distribution based on managerial level and economic circumstances. Example: Retail chain management. Real-time example: In a retail chain, the skill distribution varies across different levels of management. Store managers, who are first-line managers, rely heavily on technical skills like inventory management and customer service. Middle managers at the regional level need a balance of technical, interpersonal, and conceptual skills to oversee multiple stores effectively. Top-level executives focus on conceptual skills to develop strategies for expanding into new markets and adapting to economic challenges, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic when many retailers had to pivot to e-commerce and implement cost-cutting measures. In conclusion, these critical managerial skills are not isolated but interrelated, and their importance can vary based on the managerial level and economic circumstances. Effective managers possess a blend of these skills and adapt them to their specific roles and challenges, ultimately contributing to the success of their organizations.